Thobela, Sanbonani, Absheni, Ke Jacob Mushukwa, all the way in the deep south. I came to visit my homies. I met them at Campfest 2025. And at Campfest, I said, Spew, I need to come see your facility, man. Because I saw this, the best and hottest Golf 7 that made it there at Campfest, in my opinion. It was the only one with an R32. It was the showstopper at the show. So yeah, we made our way to Al Road at Team Nerdo. How you, my boy?
I'm okay, brother.
Easy. Nice to see you again.
Yeah.
Nice to see you again.
Always.
Thank you for pulling this out. Thank you for making sure it was clean and thorough and perfect for us to see. Let's start from the beginning. What was this car before it became an R32 Golf 7?
This car was a shell. We bought it as a shell. It was a Golf 7 TSI.
TSI?
TSI, yes.
So it started its life as a TSI?
As a TSI.
And in a build of about, did you, earlier when we were talking, only 3 months?
Yeah, in the space of 3 months.
You put this together?
Put this together.
And then there's a lot of different parts on this car, like the brick, Mercedes-Benz. The seats are from a G80 M3. And then sunroof is okay, the sunroof.
This sunroof is from an old Mercedes. So basically it had 9 panels. So what we had to do, we shortened in the sunroof. I know it's not easy and it sounds crazy, but we are the sunroof masters.
You're not the sunroof masters. You guys are the crazy guys. You are crazy. And I know who are you, like, I know it sounds crazy, but... And then the color, what inspired the color? I really like how this color pops. Earlier when you guys were washing the car, the sun comes out and then it's totally got a different shine to it. What is this color called? What's it inspired by?
It's the latest Tiguan that came out.
New Tiguan. Yeah, 2025
Tiguan.
Tiguan.
Yeah,
yes.
It came with this color. So I bought that color from that Tiguan, but
I see.
Then what I did, I managed to spice it up with our own uniqueness, you know, with the
in a little glitter, in a little shine.
So that we did it in our own perspective.
Yeah.
And just a quick one. How come it's like the way it's so low? It's like extremely low.
It is.
It's not a low as it's like I don't usually see a car.
Yeah.
This low. What did you have to do to get it this low?
So for us to get it this low, basically on this car, our initial plan was we did a Brazilian style on it.
Oh. So body drop.
Body drop. So it's a body drop Brazilian style. So you know when you go Campfest and all of those, you need to go extremely.
Yeah.
So we have 2 options to change it. To change our rear back to the original Golf 7 suspension.
Yeah.
So once we do that, we can have that Brazilian style.
Oh.
So now because of the offset of the Mac wheel, it doesn't give us that option to do it as the way we did it before.
Okay, I see. I'm already
Now you'll see. It can basically, as you can see, once we Kenya the other wheels, and if we remove those C63 calibers, you can spin the wheel while it's sitting like this. You see.
Okay, so here's the plan. We're gonna go for a drive. Because when I met you go Campfest already, I was like, I'm coming. So can we please go for a drive? Please,
we can try. Basically, it's going to be the first time for it to go to the street.
Are you serious?
Definitely. If you get stuck, I guess, then I don't know.
No, we'll send the crew a location. The standby crew will be ready to come help us. I get to go right now, Mara. Let's go see what it does on the road, man.
No problem.
That's a great start to the video now. Okay, here we go, guys. We are driving currently with Team Nerdo in this beast of a car. He tells me it's loud and then goes ahead and breaks my eardrums. What exhaust did you go for?
So we did go for a stainless steel exhaust.
Custom made for this car.
Yeah, custom made.
From the branches all the way to the back.
Yeah.
And then how do you get the car to flame throw? Because at Campfest, I couldn't believe it. It was throwing flames like a Lambo would throw flames.
With that the management system that we are using, you tune it the way you want it to pop. If you want it to pop, you tune it on the way that, you know what, let me do it to pop. If you don't want it to pop, it's gonna give you, there's different tunes that you use.
Okay, I understand. And then you came with the right theme at Campfest because everybody was doing the Porsche engine covers.
Yeah.
With the green.
Yeah. So this engine came out from the Porsche.
Okay.
So that cover doesn't fit if the engine is not the Porsche engine.
Oh, is it? Oh.
So it is a R32. So you get a 3.2, you get a 3.6.
I see.
So the 3.6 it's FSI.
Yes.
So this one is non-FSI. The reason why I always go for non-FSI is because of I love the way it pops. You can tune it, you can use any management, you can use Sustec, you can use detector, you can use any management.
Oh.
So with the FSI, you can't use those.
You are limited.
You are limited. You must use the original ECU.
And then with the gearbox here, at Campfest we briefly touched it. You are already challenging yourself to upgrade the gearbox from manual to DSG.
Yeah.
Would that be a better drive on the car? A DSG gearbox?
We know, we always know DSG is always nice.
And it sounds nice, they change.
Yeah, so the reason why we went manual is because of, basically we wanted to do it a 4-wheel drive to do a burnout, you know.
Okay.
So now we said, you know what, let's just go for a front-wheel drive and then.
For now,
but we're gonna change to 4-wheel drive.
Sure. No, this is a showstopper. This
That's
car.
why you'll find people, they say, Mori. I always tell, give people what they want.
Yo, you must see people's faces. People are like, what is that? But at the same time, they're like, I want to block my ears, but I don't want to block my ears because I like the sound of that.
Exactly. The time we were building this car, and when we were tuning it, apparently there were like more than 10 bakkies outside our premises.
10 bakkies?
Yeah, more than that. They were thinking it was gunshots.
Oh, security.
Security cops. They were like, what's happening here? What's happening? We're hearing gunshots left and right. What's happening? We were like, no, tuning the car. You want to hear? Come inside.
Come inside. Let's
hear the car. They went inside. We started the car. They were like, what the f***?
Get heads on the sound.
This thing that's... They were like, nah, man.
Nah, well played, brother. Well played.
Thank you.
Thank you for taking me for a spin. I appreciate this so much.
Anytime.
Thank you. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And maybe also leave a comment down below on what do you think Team Nerdo will be tackling next? Because obviously, they're already thinking far ahead. I'm sure you guys are planning 2026 Campfest already.
Already, there's something coming already.
Listen to that.
It's a matter of us choosing, can we go with this one or can
go
we
with
go
that one?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I wish these guys all the best of luck. It's such an absolute pleasure coming out to Jersey to see real passionate people building amazing cars. So shout out to Team Nerdo. Shout out to the guys at VW Campfest as well. Shout out to Team Nerdo's fan base, because I'm a fanboy. So shout out to me as well. Oh man, it's been an amazing one. Thank you.
No, anytime, my guy. Anytime.
Catch you guys in the next video. Okay, love you. Okay, bye.
Let's find what moves you. Cars.co.za.
Hello, I have been asked by head office to introduce you to Cars.co.za Login, your personalized car buying companion. That's what it says here on my cheat sheet. Now, there are actually so many benefits to using the login feature on our app and on our website, mobile and desktop, that there's a long list here which I can't remember. So I'm going to tell you all about it. The thing is, the system is quite smart. So the more you use it, the more we learn what sort of cars you're looking for, and we can make better, more tailored suggestions for you. There's also very important save and sync across devices. So if you've got some cars on your wish list, or if you've searched, or if you've put through a lead to a dealer, then you will be able to see all of those, won't get lost or refreshed, whether you're on mobile, desktop, or our app. So it's a cross-device seamless experience. That's what it says here. We can also make tailored recommendations to you over time as well. We're also going to expand the offering all the time. We're working hard on it to integrate things like cars alerts and that sort of thing. So that's all coming as well. And then because we've integrated WhatsApp into the whole process, by using the login, it verifies you on WhatsApp, and that makes that whole experience better for you as well. So for instance, if you put an inquiry through on a car, we'll send you a WhatsApp, and that will help you deal with that a little bit easier and contact the dealer a little bit easier as well. So go and check it out. Cars.co.za's new user login, your personalized car buying companion. Now you can stop messaging me on social media.